Namo Namah Chhatraha. In the last period, our second lesson was over. I hope everyone would have completed assignment and Bhasha Abhyasaha. Now today we will start our fourth lesson Amulyam Kamalam. So student, I am sharing PDF of that lesson. So student, before starting lesson, we should go step by step. First, we read question after introduction. Let's see question. First one is Dhanat Mahataram Kim Kim Vidyate. It means what is the more precious than wealth in the world. And second question is Gautama Buddha Vishaye Yuyam Kaha Kathaha Janita. It means what do you know about Gautam Buddha? Everybody knows that answer. He was philosophic thinker in India. Now student, let's read introduction. भारतदेशः श्रेष्ठानां तत्त्वचिन्तकानां देशः इति सर्वे जानन्ति. तेषु अन्यतमः गौतम बुद्धः. मायादेव्याः शुद्धोदनस्य च पुत्रः सिद्धार्थः तपसा गौतम बुद्ध बभूव. बौद्धधर्मस्य प्रवर्तकः अयं शान्तिसन्देशं सर्वत्र प्रससार. तस्य जीवने घटिता एषा घटना. भारतदेशः श्रेष्ठानां तत्त्वचिन्तकानां देशः इति सर्वे जानन्ति. Everybody knows India is the country of philosophical thinker. तेषु अन्यतमः Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was one of those great personality. मायादेव्याः शुद्धोदनस्य च पुत्र सिद्धार्थः तपसा Gautam Buddha बभूव. The Buddha born to Mayadevi and Shuddhodana as Siddhartha. He eventually became the Buddha through auspicium finance. बौद्धधर्मस्य प्रवर्तकः अयं शान्तिसन्देशं सर्वत्र प्रससार. The founder of Buddhism, he propagated the message of peace everywhere. तस्य जीवने घटिता एषा घटना. Our lesson also according to Buddha's life. Amulyam Kamalam is a story extracted from Buddhist religion and that highlights the divine teaching of Lord Buddha. Amulyam Kamalam in this title rightly suggests that righteousness and a good company leading to contentment and peace of mind is superior and priceless compared to money, worldly pleasure. Let's start our lesson. आसीत् सुदासो नाम कश्चिद् उद्यानपालः. Now see student, in first line there is two sandhi. Sudaso nama, Sudasah plus nama. And second sandhi, Kashchid Udyanapalaha. The changes to ta, so Kashchid plus Udyanapalaha. There was a certain gardener named Sudasah. Asit was. Sudasah is a name. Kashchid certain. Udyanapalaha gardener. There was a certain gardener named Sudasa. तस्य तडागे कदाचित् सत्यपि शिशिरऋतावेकं पद्मं व्यकसत् व्योम्नेव बालसूर्यबिम्बम्. Now sandhi satyapि sati plus api. Second one sandhi shishirrutavekam shishirrutau plus ekam. And third one sandhi Vyomniva, Vyomni plus Iva. Again listen carefully. Sati plus Api, Shishirutau plus Ekam, and third one Vyomni plus Iva. In his pond, in the winter season, there bloomed a lotus which looked like the rising sun in the sky. Tasya tadage, his pond. When Shishirutau ekam, Shishiratu winter season, in the winter season. Padmam vyakasat, Padma lotus, vyakasat bloom. There bloom a lotus. Vyomni iva, Vyomni means sky. Iva Bala Surya Bimbam look like the rising sun in Vyomni in the sky. In this pond, in the winter season, there bloomed a lotus which looked like the rising sun in the sky. So chintayat aho mahima paramatmanah यदेतादृशे काले तिशिते विभूषितो मे तडाग एतस्य सरसिजस्य विकासेन. Now Sandhi is there. First one, so chintayat, saha plus achintayat. So chintayat, saha plus achintayat. O avagraha Sandhi. O changes to aha, avagraha changes to a. Aho mahima paramatmana यदेतादृशे यत् एतादृशे यतेतादृशे यत् प्लस एतादृशे कालेतिशीते काले प्लस अतिशीते विभूषितो में विभूषितः प्लस में विभूषितो में विभूषितः प्लस में तडाग एतस्य सरसिजस्य विकासेन. Now see, student, so chintayat, he thought, aho mahima paramatmanah, oh, the greatness of Supreme Soul. Paramatmanah, Supreme Soul. Mahima, greatness. Yat etadrushe, in this, kale atishite, kale atishite, in this extreme cold, me tadaga, my pond, etasya sarasijasya vikasena vibhushitaha. My pond is add-on. Vibhushitaha, add-on. By the blooming of such a lotus. Of such a lotus. Listen again. He thought, oh, the greatness of the Supreme Soul, in this extreme cold, my pond is add-on by the blooming of such a lotus. Etat sarasijam vikriyaham vipulam dhanam prapnuyam iti. Now vikriyaham sandhi is there. Vikriya plus aham. Etat this sarasijam lotus. Vikriya to sell. Aham I. Vipulam much. Dhanam wealth. Prapnuyam. Prapnuyam I shall obtain. Now here prapnuyam is a vidiling lakar. Prapnuyam vidiling lakar. Vikriyaham, vikriya plus aham. By selling this lotus, I shall obtain a lot of wealth. A lot of wealth. Now student, here vipulam dhanam, visheshan, vishesha is there. Vipulam dhanam. And more one, here kale atishite. Kale atishite. Again here visheshan, vishesha. Kale visheshanam and atishite is a vishesha. Now student, see Prapnuyam again. Prapnuyam pra plus apadatu and vidhiling lakar. Next, evam sachintya sa tad vikretum rajasadmanah puratah sthitah. Evam sachintya sa visarga is there sah. Evam sachintya. Now sachintya in this word sa plus chinta. Okay. When dhatu start with prefix and end with ya or tya, that time पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित ल्यवंत अव्यय. So sachintya is a ल्यवंत अव्यय. So tat vikretum. Vikretum again dhatu end with tum, and tum changes to tum, dhum, itum, aitum. That time hetvartak dhatu sarit tumun pratyay. Here levanta lya pratyay and here tumun pratyay. Thinking so, in order to sell it, he stood in front of the royal palace. Rajasadmanah puratah. Rajasadmanah, royal palace. Puratah, front side. Sthitah, stand. Or here sthitah, ta pratyay. So here meaning stood. So Rajasadmanah puratah. Puratah means front side, and puratah needs shashti vibhakti of prior word. So here prior word is Rajasadmanah. So mark it here Rajasadmanah puratah. Again listen. Thinking so, in order to sell it, he stood in front of the royal palace. अत्रान्तरे तेनैव अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान् सार्थवाह समायातः. Now संधि तेनैव, तेन plus एव. अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान् सार्थवाह समायातः. अत्रान्तरे, after a while, तेनैव अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान्, कश्चित् certain rich merchant, श्रीमान सातवाह rich merchant, came samayatah, came by that road, advana by road. Now here sthitah ta pratyay. Student, remember we saw in 9th standard ta and tavatu pratyay. Now here also ta pratyay. Samayatah is a ta pratyay. Atrantare तेन एव अध्वना कश्चित् श्रीमान् सार्थवाह समायातः. After a while, a certain rich merchant came by that road. So vadat Bhadra Bhagavan Sugata. Now here, Samprati tasmin nagare vasati. So here, Samprati plus etasmin plus nagare. And more one sandhi, so vadat saha plus avadat. Saha plus avadat. He said or he asked, spoke, Bhadra Bhagavan Sugata, O noble man, Sugata, Samprati etasmin nagare. Samprati etasmin nagare. Etasmin nagare, in this city, vasati, stay, reside. He said, O noble man, the Lord Sugata reside in this city now. Now student, listen. First is Kale Atishite. Kale Atishite Visheshan Visheshya. Second one, Vipulam Dhanam Visheshan Visheshya. Now, third one, Shriman Sarthavaha. Shriman Sarthavaha. Again, Visheshan Visheshya. Next, Mahatmanah Tasya पूजार्थमिदं कमलं अभ्यर्थये. Now again see sandhi pujarthamidam, pujartham plus idam. Sandhi here pujartham plus idam. And next is kamalam abhyarthaye, kamalam plus abhyarthaye, kamalam plus abhyarthaye. Mahatmanah, the great person, tasya pujartham idam, for the worship of that great person, great soul. अभ्यर्थे तत् कियता मूल्येन ददासि. ददासि give. At what price will you give it? Now listen. महात्मनः तस्य पूजार्थम् इदं कमलम् अभ्यर्थये तत् कियता मूल्येन ददासि. So I request this lotus for the worship of that great soul. At what price will you give it? उद्यानपालो ब्रवीत. वग्र संधि उद्यानपालः प्लस अब्रवीत. उद्यानपालः गार्डनर, अब्रवीत सेड. एकेन सुवर्णनाणकेन. एकेन वन, सुवर्णनाणकेन वन गोल्ड कॉइन. अथ स सार्थवाह यावत् तत् कमलं क्रेतुमिच्छति तावदेवापरो धनवान् श्रेष्ठी अपि सुगतदर्शनार्थं गच्छन् तत्र समुपस्थितः. Now listen. अथ स सार्थवाह यावतत्. Sandhi is there. यावतत्. यावत् plus tat. यावत् plus tat. Second sandhi. क्रेतुम इच्छति. क्रेतुम plus इच्छति. ममा मिमी संधि हलन्त्य म plus a a e is equal to ममा मिमी. क्रेतुम plus इच्छति. तावत् देवा परो. Again sandhi. तावत् plus एव plus अपरः. देवा परः एव plus अपरः plus धनवान. तावदेवा परो धनवान. तावत् plus एव plus अपरः plus धनवान. श्रेष्ठी अपि सुगत दर्शनार्थं गच्छन् तत्र समुपस्थितः. अथ स सार्थवाह. Then अथ स सार्थ यावत् तत् कमलं क्रेतुम् इच्छति. Now here क्रेतुम धातु end with तुम. हेत्वार्थक धातु साधित तुमुन प्रत्यय. तावत् एव अपरः धनवान् श्रेष्ठी सुगत दर्शनार्थं गच्छन् तत्र समुपस्थितः. Again स्थितः त प्रत्यय. Then no sooner did that merchant wish to buy the lotus cretum to buy lotus, then another wealthy merchant going to see Sugata also came there. नीरजमूल्यं पृच्छन्तं तं श्रेष्ठिनम् उद्यानपालोऽब्रुत एष महाभाग एकं सुवर्णनाणकम् एतस्यार्थे दातुमिच्छति. Again sandhi. नीरजमूल्यं पृच्छन्तं तं श्रेष्ठिनम् उद्यानपालोऽब्रुत. उद्यानपालः plus अब्रुत. उद्यानपालः plus अब्रुत. धनवान् श्रेष्ठी अपि सुगत दर्शनार्थं तत्र समुपस्थितः. सॉरी स्टूडेंट. नीरज मूल्यं पृच्छन्तं तं श्रेष्ठम् उद्यानपालो ब्रूत्. एष महाभाग एकं सुवर्णनाणकम् एतस्यार्थे. नाउ हियर एतस्य अर्थे. एतस्यार्थे एतस्य प्लस अर्थे. दातुम् इच्छति. दातुं प्लस इच्छति. दातुम् इच्छति. दातुं प्लस इच्छति. The gardener said to the merchant who was asking for the price of lotus, this eminent person, this eminent person wished to give 1 gold coin for this. Now student, here datum plus ichhati. Datum to give. Datum meaning to give. Ichhati wish. Udyanapalaha abruta. Abruta said. Listen again. The gardener said to the merchant who was asking for price of the lotus, this noble one wished to give 1 gold coin for this. श्रेष्ठी अगदत् अहम दश सुवर्णनाणकानि यच्छामि. Now, Shreshti agadat. Agadat means replied, said. Shreshti, merchant. Merchant said, Aham, I, Dasha Suvarna Nanakani, 10 gold coin. Yachami, give. I shall give 10 gold coins. Sarthavaho bhanat. O avagraha, Sarthavaha plus abhanat. Merchant said, Aham shatam suvarna nanakani prayachami. I will give 100 gold coin. Shatam 100 suvarna nanakani gold coin. Prayachami. I will give you. Tayor vivadam shrutva sudaso vyamrushat. यस्य कृते एतौ कमलम् एतत् क्रेतुमिच्छतः नूनं स सुगत एवाधिकतमं मूल्यं मयं दद्यात् इति. Now listen. तयोर विवादः. Ref is there and ref changes to visarga. तयोः plus विवादम. तयोः plus विवादम. श्रुत्वा सुदासो व्यमृशत्. सुदासो व्यमृशत्. सुदासः व्यमृशत्. यस्य कृते एतौ कमलमेतत्. कमलं प्लस एतत्. संधिजर कमलं प्लस एतत्. क्रेतुम् इच्छतः. क्रेतुं प्लस इच्छतः. क्रेतुं प्लस इच्छतः. नूनं सह सुगत. सह सुगतः. एवाधिकतमम्. एव प्लस अधिकतमम्. एव प्लस अधिकतमम्. मूल्यं मह्यं दद्यात् इति. Now listen. तयोर विवादम, dispute. Listening to their dispute or argument. Shrutva. Shrutva is a twanta. पूर्वकालवाचक धातु साधित त्वांत अव्यय. श्रु धातु and त्वांत. Listening. सुदासः व्यमृशत्. सुदासः व्यमृशत्. Deliberate. यस्य कृते एतौ कमलम् एतत् क्रेतुम् इच्छतः. The one for whom these two wish to buy this lotus. Nunam sa sugata. that Sugata एवाधिकं मूल्यम् एव अधिकं मूल्यम् एव अधिकतमं मूल्यं मह्यं दद्यात्. Sugata alone will give me a higher price. Adhikatamam higher mulyam price. Mayam dadyat. He give to me. Mayam dadyat give to me. Listen again. Listening to their argument or dispute, Sudasa deliberate, the one for whom these two wish to buy this lotus, that Sugata alone will give me a higher price. अतः सः उद्यानपालस्तावभाषत नैतत् भो विक्रेतुमिच्छामि इति. सन्धिजर अतः सः विसर्गेजर अतः सः उद्यानपालस्तावभाषत. उद्यानपालः स half स changes to visarga. उद्यानपालः plus तौ plus अभाषत. नैतत् न plus एतत्. भोः विक्रेतुम् इच्छामि. विक्रेतुम plus इच्छामि. विक्रेतुम plus इच्छामि. ममा मिमी संधि and विक्रेतुम again तुमुन प्रत्यय हेत्वार्थक धातु सदित तुमुन प्रत्यय. अतः सः thus he उद्यानपालः तौ अभाषत. He told both of them. He means उद्यानपालः. He told both of them. न एतद् भोः respected one, भोः sirs. न एतद् not विक्रेतुम् इच्छामि. विक्रेतुं sell. Sirs, I do not wish to sell this lotus. Thus, he told both of them, sirs, I do not wish to sell this lotus. Now, here, धनवान श्रेष्ठी. धनवान श्रेष्ठी विशेषण विशेष्य. So mark it here, धनवान श्रेष्ठी and अधिकतमं मूल्यम. अधिकतमं मूल्यम again विशेषण विशेष्य. अधिकतमं मूल्यम. Now students, see, this lesson is focused for ananta or inanta words. So all highlight words in ananta or inanta words. See, mahima, paramatmanah, atman words. Ananta, raja sadmanah, sadvan, advana, advan, shrimat, mahatmanah, mahatman. So student, here important is all highlight words in ananta and ananta. Inanta or I want to say ananta or inanta words. So student, here our first paragraph is over, completed. So student, everyone write down assignment in your notebook. I will share assignment. So everyone write down assignment in your notebook. Thank you.